it back in there. Can you say thank you, Kelly? Kelly got you that. Can you give Kelly a kiss? Oh, good job. That's not Kelly, but you can give your ladybug a kiss. Good job. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you wave? Can you wave? Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Thank you. Thank you. Can you wave bye-bye? No? Okay. Thank you, Kelly. We love you. Can you give Kelly a hug? Good job. Nice hug. Good job. Can you give your bear a hug? Good job. Give your bear a hug. Thank you for my tie-dye shirt. I really like it. Bye-bye. Love you.